Hi there. In this video, I am excited to present to you our latest new feature, Magic Composer. This feature will help you write a highly personalized note for your recipients in just a few clicks. You will be able to access it on the order information page and recipient details when creating a marketplace order, and in the redeem template page when creating a smart gifting order. Scroll down and click on the Magic Composer button. Choose the purpose of your campaign, the age and gender of the recipients, their location, nationality, and language. It is okay if you do not possess some of that information. Magic Composer can work with as little or as much input as there is. After, please choose how long you want your message to be from this drop-down list and hit the Compose Gift Message button. In a few seconds, your note will be composed and ready to be sent out to your recipients. Please note that the blank spaces will be automatically filled out according to your recipient's information. You are welcome to edit this message if you find it necessary. Congrats! Now you know how to compose personalized message in just a few clicks. Hope you found this video helpful. Please check our videos below to stay updated on the new Giftpack features.